if you're dedicated as an employee, like you do put in the time and the effort and you care, why wouldn't you want to start your own business? You know what I mean? Instead of putting all that time and effort into making someone else rich, I should add, or a side hustle, or something like that nature. Small business can be tricky these days, but it's not to say that you shouldn't try and think about it.